football clubs are forever finding new and innovative ways to announce their transfers on social media, but in a world full of trolls, no football fan would expect to be abused by their own team. However, that's exactly what happened to Crewe Alexandra's fans. After Manchester United announced the signing of Paul Pogba using Stormzy on Instagram, Lord knows how the Red Devils are going to announce the arrival of Alexis Sanchez, expected within the next 24 hours. Check out these first tweets by footballers. Their games off the pitch have hopefully improved, but the Premier League side aren't the only ones to have gone viral with their transfer announcements, with clubs using Football Manager videos to announce who they've just signed and other less than conventional methods. Teasing their fans about an upcoming announcement, and they must have been really excited. And then the twist in the tale, they were announcing an outgoing transfer with one of their best players, George Cooper, being sold to League One's Peterborough United. Peter Crouch is one of our favorite footballing tweeters. Check out some of his best work. Fans clearly weren't too happy with the swerve, and the club had to justify their previous Twitter interactions. The scene is reminiscent of the time that Leeds United told their fans not to go to bed in the closing hours of the transfer window, but in the end they didn't sign anyone and instead sold one of their best players.